Hello everyone, this is teacher Rejil. In this video, we are going to discuss subtraction of decimal numbers. But before that, let's review this place value chart. The place values of the digits before the decimal point, meaning to say the whole number part, are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. Well, the place values of the digits after the decimal point are tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and so on. For example, if we have this number 1,234.56789, the place value of 4 is ones, of 3 is tens, of 2 is hundreds, and of ones is thousands. While the place value of 5 is tenths, of 6 is hundreds, of 7 is thousands, of 8 is 10,000s, and of 9 is 100,000s. It is important to note the place values of the digits because, for example, if we are going to subtract 8,219 from 24,786, we are going to line up the corresponding digits in arranging these two numbers vertically. That will look like this. Notice here that the ones digits 6 and 9 are lined up. The tens digits 8 and 1 are also lined up, and so on. Now, let's start subtracting. We subtract the corresponding digits from right to left. 6 minus 9 cannot be because 6 is less than 9, so we borrow 1 from 8. This 8 becomes 7, and this 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5, 4 minus 8 cannot be, so we borrow 1 from 2, and this 2 becomes 1, and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6, and then 1 by itself, copy it down, and then we will indicate our comma here. Our answer is 16,567. Example number 2, 65.736 minus 4.269. Here, since we have decimal points, it is easy to line up the corresponding digits if we will just line up the decimal points. That will look like this. Okay, because we line up the decimal points, the corresponding digits will automatically line up also. Okay, the ones digits are lined up, the tens digits are lined up, the hundreds digits are lined up, and the thousands digits are also lined up. Now we will start subtracting. We subtract the corresponding digits from right to left. 6 minus 9 cannot be because 6 is less than 9, so we borrow 1 from 3, so this 3 becomes 2, and this 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 6 cannot be because 2 is less than 6, so we borrow 1 from 7, so this 7 becomes 6, and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Then we will indicate our decimal point. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 6 by itself, copy it down. Our answer is 61.467. Let's do another example. 48.3 minus 29.125. Now, we are going to arrange these two numbers vertically, making sure that we line up the decimal points that will look like this. Now we will start subtracting. For the missing digits, we need to put zeros. Now we start subtracting from the corresponding digits from right to left. 0 minus 5 cannot be, because 0 is less than 5. We need to borrow 1 from here. But this is 0. We cannot borrow 1 from 0. So this 0 will have to borrow 1 from 3. So this 3 becomes 2, and this 0 becomes 10. Now this 0 can borrow 1 from 10. So this 10 becomes 9, and this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we will indicate our decimal point. Then 8 minus 9 cannot be, because 8 is less than 9. So we borrow 1 from 4. So this 4 becomes 3. Then this 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 19.175. I prepared here 2 items for you to practice. You can pause the video and work on these 2 items. If you are done, I can now show you the answer. For number 1, the answer is 22.164. And for item number 2, the answer is 31.96. Did you get the 2 items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.